Why choose HENGHUA for your hydraulic needs? With over 100 distributors worldwide and a reliable network of trusted suppliers, we are the factory you can count on for top quality products, dependable service, and great prices. At HENGHUA, we are proud to be trusted factory for hydraulic equipment and hoses. With advanced facility and skilled team, we make products that meet international standards and certifications. We are all about customization and variety, so we can create solutions that fit your specific needs. Plus, thanks to our efficient manufacturing, we offer high-quality, affordable options that won't break the bank. We are proud to work with over 100 distributors around the world, making sure our products and trust and easy to get no matter where you are. With HENGHUA, our patents can enjoy one-stop shopping for all the hydraulic equipment and hoses they need, all at great prices. Plus, we've got a reliable after-sales team to keep everything running smoothly, so you are always spotted. We collaborate with more than 100 carefully picked suppliers in China, all of whom meet our high-quality requirements. They choose to work with HENGHUA because we serve a global customer base and handle large orders. With such a strong network, we can make sure we deliver exactly what our customers need, fast and on schedule. By buying directly from our factory and tapping into our wide network of suppliers, we are able to offer amazing prices without cutting corners on quality, making sure every customer is satisfied. Enjoy our global distributor network today and grow your business with HENGHUA products. Be a part of our success and bring high-quality hydraulic solutions to customers all over the world.